Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love fresh flavors in your food and want to grow something useful at home, herbs are the perfect plants to start with. They're easy, low maintenance, and can grow even in small spaces like balconies, windowsills, or kitchens. In today's video, I'll share some simple herbs gardening tips and tricks that will help you grow healthy, aromatic herbs successfully. The first step is choosing herbs that grow well in your climate and space. Some beginner-friendly herbs include basil, mint, coriander, parsley, rosemary, and curry leaves. If you're growing indoors, choose herbs that don't need too much sunlight, like mint or parsley. For outdoor gardening, basil and rosemary grow beautifully in full sun. Most herbs love sunlight. Ideally, they need about 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place your pots near a sunny window, balcony, or terrace. If you notice your plant becoming tall and weak, it may not be getting enough light, so simply move it to a brighter location. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Use well-draining soil. You can mix garden soil, compost, and sand or cocoa peat for best results. Always choose pots with drainage holes. Herbs don't like waterlogged soil, and too much water can cause root rot. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is overwatering. Most herbs prefer slightly dry soil rather than soggy soil. A simple trick: touch the soil with your finger. If the top layer feels dry, it's time to water. Morning watering is best because plants absorb moisture better during the day. Regular pruning helps herbs grow bushier and healthier. Never cut more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Harvest leaves frequently. This actually encourages more growth. For example, when you pinch basil leaves from the top, the plant grows fuller instead of tall and thin. Herbs don't need heavy fertilizers. You can use simple kitchen waste like compost, banana peel water, or diluted cow manure once every 2 to 3 weeks. This keeps plants healthy and completely organic. Growing herbs at home is easy, relaxing, and rewarding. With just a little care, you can enjoy fresh, chemical-free herbs every day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening content. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!